The leather processing industry is gradually facing a dilemma. The demand for leather products in the automotive, upholstery, leather goods, and of course the shoe industry is continuously increasing, while supplies of raw materials remain steady. Prices of raw materials have therefore been rising dramatically during the last few years. The turnaround cycle within the fashion-orientated industries has been shortened significantly and obviously requires more mobility. As considerable labor and tooling is involved in the manufacturing of leather products, computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing have been steadily introduced into these industries. Despite these efforts, the only way to keep production costs under control is to put all the automated elements of production, such as computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing, cutting, stitching, lasting, and production planning together in a computer-integrated manufacturing system. Thus, offering perfect KIM solutions to the industry will be a rapidly developing market in the coming years. This video presents VICAM as your partner on the road to KIM. As a supplier of integrated computer systems for design and manufacturing, VICAM bases its efforts on the principles of high tech, high quality, and high performance. After years of development and global distribution of VICAM systems, the goal is Leadership 2000. The professed target of the company is to be the market leader in the computer-integrated manufacturing market for the leather industries. VICAM's prerequisites for Leadership 2000 are clearly seen by looking at the company's history. In 1985, only 1 year after the foundation of the VICAM company, the first two-dimensional pattern design system was developed and installed. In 1986, the expansion of the PADZ software family began with a 2- and 3-dimensional design and modeling system. In 1987, further software modules were developed and installed at customer premises. At the IMS 1988, the most important international shoe machinery fair in Pirmasens, the partnership with Atom and the foundation of Atom VICAM was publicly announced. The Road to KIM concept as a basis for all further developments was presented for the first time. All relevant KIM elements for the shoe industry were shown in full function, deriving 3-dimensional data from a last's shape, processing these data in the fields of shoe design, production of molds, and fully automated milling of new lasts. After the so-called flattening, the data is used to perform the typical 2D steps of shoe manufacturing, the designing of the patterns, grading, and cutting of leather for sample production. A software module calculates the most efficient layout for cutting and controls the CNC clicking press. Or the water jet cutter. Of course, the stitching automat also receives its instructions from the IEDPN, the Integrated Electronic Data Processing Network. And finally, a cost calculation system makes use of the production data. parallel to the technical developments, the annual users and representatives conferences gave the opportunity to match the product lines exactly to customers' requirements.
Management by objectives. Our customers.
Technical sessions, as well as a visit to VICAM's premises, are part of the program. The opportunity for customers to carry out practical test runs at the workstations and to mark their priorities for further production enhancements ensures optimal customer satisfaction. The series of innovative solutions for the leather processing industry was continued in 1989 with the All-Cut project, VICAM's major step in the area of cutting. A fully automatic setup features an automatic input of the hides by scanning. Automatic processing of the hides for the positioning of the pieces to be cut. Automatic transportation of the hides. And automatic cutting of the hides according to the defined layout. VICAM's modular concept was highly appreciated in the world of industrial science and therefore found support by Eureka. All-Cut, with Eureka number 335, represents the solution with the highest possible degree of integration. For VICAM, which originally came from the shoe industry, it is the starting point for entering parallel markets, such as the automotive industry, the upholstery industry, and the leather goods industry. Furthermore, in 1990, the industry's first comprehensive 3D grading module was introduced on the market. With the experience in dye-less leather cutting gained by the All-Cut project, a knife-based leather cutting system, PADC sample, was presented at the CIMAC fair in Bologna. And in June 1990, the 100th system was installed at customers' premises. The year also brought another new product line, commercial software for the industry to be used on standard PCs. By the end of 1990, as an essential strategic decision, a development center was founded in Czechoslovakia. This implies a lively exchange of know-how and also allows VICAM a development program with an unmatched price-performance ratio. January 1991. To offer all relevant KIM elements from one source and be market leader within the next few years, VICAM developed the concept of VICAM Industries. It will complete the offer to the industry by utilizing the synergetic effects of companies in the area of marketing, technology, and financing. Here is the VICAM Industries strategy in brief. The mission is to form a high-technology group for the shoe and parallel industries. The target is to offer KIM solutions for the major production units within these industries. VICAM Industries would use the joint know-how of the companies to have common marketing, common technology standards, and common financing strategies. Cost reduction in research and development, distribution, and other areas is a side effect of changing strategic alliances into a single, uniform group of companies. The foundation of VICAM Industries as a public limited company combined with a major capital increase will allow the development of a significantly enlarged structure. The first technical step in this direction was the introduction of the total communication concept, at the IMS Pirmasens in May 1991. The total communication partners turned the fairgrounds into a spacious factory area with all the working steps relevant to footwear production. The various fair booths and machinery were connected by fiber optics data lines. At the same time, the PC line was crowned with TASK, a complete 2D CAD package. In September, the VICAM Industries stockholding company was actually founded. And the first action was the acquisition of Beta VICAM, the leading manufacturer of CNC stitching equipment. For the first time, high-tech and high-quality solutions for CAD, stitching, and cutting are available from one vendor, VICAM. 1991, the year that turned the VICAM Industries concept into reality, ended with a major capital increase. It also saw the installation of Alcat 3500 at Mercedes-Benz in Sindelfingen, Germany, indeed a good reference. With its dedication to high-tech, high quality, and high performance, VICAM confirmed its major market position. More than 90 customers operate 200 workstations worldwide. Within the CAD market, VICAM is the fastest growing company and has gained a market share of 23%. Annual growth rates of 25 to 35% in cash flow and turnover are evidence of the great success of the VICAM company strategy. And finally, in 1991, more than 50% of all new customers worldwide decided for VICAM systems. Innovative know-how and a steadily developed commercial success form VICAM's basis for Leadership 2000. The comprehensive power of VICAM Industries guarantees your success, too.